Here is the living room. Chandelier, windows, fireplace, tables, and chairs need to be refurbished. Let's get started. Let's assemble the dining table. You're awesome! The windows are so dirty. Wow, so clean! Let's hang the new curtains. Good job! Slide to tighten the light bulb. Pick a lampshade you like. Awesome! Lay bricks on the fireplace. You're awesome! The living room looks great! Now, let's choose some exquisite furniture and decorations! Let's do it! This living room is perfect! Let's take a picture to record it. I love my castle. Thank you, Mew Mew. Thank you. Glad to hear that you like my design. Wow, the castle is getting bigger! The new castle will be even bigger! Hello, designer Mew Mew! I am Momo! This is my castle. Can you help me upgrade my castle? No problem. You can count on me. Let's first put up wallpaper and lay the floor tiles in this bedroom. Let's lay the floor tiles. Next, let's get bed, wardrobe, and dresser ready for the bedroom. Let's saw the bedboard. A soft and comfortable bed is ready. You're awesome! Next, let's assemble the dresser. Good job! Assemble the wardrobe. Put the clothes in the wardrobe. Let's choose some exquisite furniture and decorations. Let's do it! Which wallpaper should we choose? Pick the floor tile you like. This bedroom is so beautifully designed. Let's take a picture to record it. This is a toy room. We can set up a tent, put blocks and toys here. Put away books and toys into different storage boxes. Put the floor mat. Which toy should be put here? Good job! Scrape off the broken poster. We can hang the cardboard once a nail is knocked in. Awesome! Let's put blocks here. You're awesome! A tent for kids can be set up here. Good job! Next, choose some toys and decorations you like. Let's do it! Wow, this toy room must be great fun. Let's take a picture to record it. I love my castle. Thank you, Mew Mew. Thank you. Glad to hear that you like my design.